In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook Lite message not opening problem. So first of all, what you need to ensure is that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi. Go to your control center and check your Wi-Fi if you are connected to a stable one or not. You could also try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi. Next thing that you can do is you can simply try to restart your device and it may start working. And if it is still not working even after restarting, here's what you can do. Go to settings, scroll down until you find apps, click on it, then go to app management, then search for Facebook Lite, click on it. Here go to storage uses, then you can see clear cache written in bright red, click on it. Once your cache is cleared, go back, open Play Store, search for Facebook Lite and check if there are any update available. If there is, then update your app and your problem should be solved now. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.